welcome back to my channel. This is your home-based nomad, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kim and I'm your home-based nomad. I'm a freelancer and I vlog about travel, work from home, tutorials, unboxing, and lifestyle. If you like any of my videos, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell for you to be updated of every new uploads. So, for today's video, we're about to go to Dusit Thani Mactan Cebu Resort. Yahoo! So let's go! Dusit Thani is located in Punta Engaño Road, Mactan Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. Its distance from Mactan International Airport is 11 kilometers, which would roughly be a 30-minute transportation. Hi guys, so we just arrived here at Dusit Thani Mactan Cebu Resort. We cannot yet check in because the housekeeping is still preparing the room, and in the meantime we're just sitting down and then maybe we will stroll around the resort to see their amenities and their food. Hi guys, so it's already 4 p.m. and we're just about to get inside our room. But good thing because they gave us a checkout time at 1 p.m. tomorrow. Hi guys, so we're finally here inside our room. And by the way, this is a deluxe bedroom, which is their most affordable room accommodation. And even if it's a deluxe room or their lowest type of room, I have a lot of things I like inside the bedroom. So we have here their huge king-size bed. We have here their white space for me to work tonight. And you might not even notice that they have a fridge, but they actually do. And it's inside this cabinet. There. And on the other side is their electric kettle plus their goodies. So if you want to drink some coffee, some tea, and whatnot, you can just take it from here. What I also like about this room is their TV. I mean, it's huge, and not all deluxe rooms has this kind of size for a TV. Apart from that, there is their welcome greeting, which is very nice. And you know what? We can also place orders through their remote control. So all we have to do is select in-room dining and enter. We have there a variety of options. We have American breakfast, Filipino breakfast, a la carte breakfast, and so on. And what's more convenient is all you have to do is just select the orders from there and the food will be delivered in your room. And on this side, we have here their mini closet, and the bathrobes are already in place. They also have here an extra pillow, so in case you want more pillows, you can just take advantage and use that. We have here their vault, so if you have some important stuff to keep, you can just put in here. And they have their hair dryer in a bag. So it's very convenient because you can just place it or use it anywhere inside the room. And what else? We also have some drawers right here and some request sheets for laundry. And below is their weighing scale and some baskets for you to put your shoes or any footwears. What else? And on this side, they have their iron. We're done with the bedroom. Let's check out their bathroom. In this area, we would see their complimentary stuff. We have here the body lotion, conditioner, wash, and some dental kits. But my very highlight on their complimentary goods is this alcohol. So not all the hotels provide an alcohol. So there. Plus their face masks. We have here the shower space plus the bathtub. In their toilet area, they also have this bidet, which is very useful. You want to poop. That's it. In terms of view, what we can see from here is their parking lot, and across is the Amisa condominium.
One eternity later.
Hi guys, good morning. And we're currently here at Sunset Sports Bar to take our breakfast buffet. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next video. Thumbs if you like it, sub if you love it.